Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, ang pag-uusapan po natin is all about the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. And kung ano po yung mga different sample plans na meron tayo dito na pwede nyo pong i-avail. So we will discuss about the K45, K50, K60, K75, and K100 plan. So but before that, let's answer these famous questions na mga nakakausap namin dito sa IMG at sa Kaiser. Sa mga nag-i-inquire. So sabi nila, legit ba ito? Okay, so sagutin natin yan isa-isa. So Kaiser is duly accredited with the Department of Health or DOH. This company is likewise registered with the Securities Exchange Commission or SEC on June 8, 2004. As a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million pesos. And you can visit the SEC Express System website and then input nyo po, search nyo po yung Kaiser. Okay? And then you will see, ito po yung mga SEC registration number under the Kaiser company. And also in the Insurance Commission. So ito po yung license number natin. HMO-2017-04-R. And si Kaiser din po ang healthcare provider ng the Supreme Court of Judiciary, representative for the legislatives, and Department of Agrarian Reform. Sapat na ba yon na patunay na legit na company ang Kaiser? Ito pa, Kaiser's Board of Directors are seasoned expert in the medical field services and in the healthcare industry with its President and Medical Director, Dr. Leah Uyolo, Assistant HMO Executive and Prominent Doctor, Outstanding Thomasian Medicine 2019, given by the University of Santo Tomas. Ito po siya. She is the President and Medical Director of Kaiser International Health Group Inc. And she is also the Vice Chairman of PAMOC. PAMOC stands for Philippine Association of Health Maintenance Organization Companies. You can also visit their website to find out kung ito ba ay talagang kasama sa kanilang organization, itong Kaiser. The brand ambassadress of Kaiser is none other than Miss Sharon Cuneta Pangilinan.
Wow!
Sabi niya, kahit maputi na ang buhok mo, may Kaiser para sa iyo. Isa rin yan sa mga patunay na legit ang Kaiser. Kasi hindi naman siguro papayag si Miss Sharon Cuneta na maging ambassadress ng isang illegitimate na company. Diba? And the Kaiser International Health Group Inc. Network. Ito po yung mga hospital and clinics natin nationwide. We have 2,000 and we have also 12,000 doctors. And meron din tayo, as of now, 10 Kaiser Medical Centers located nationwide. Okay? And we have also 24/7 call center, customer care center, and liaison officer. Para just in case of emergency, na kailangan natin ang support at assistance nila, andyan sila para sa atin. So here are some of the major hospitals partnered or affiliated with Kaiser. So andyan si Makati Medical Center, andyan si St. Luke's, andyan din si Cardinal Santos Medical Center. At kung wala po yung hospital na malapit sa inyo, doon sa pinakita ko, you can just visit the kaiserhealthgroup.com website and then click clinics and hospitals. Okay? Visit nyo lang yan. Then, ito yung makikita natin. Okay? So, kailangan lang natin i-allow yung location services ng inyong device so that the website will detect kung asang kang location ngayon. And then, by that, okay, so yan, na-detect po ng website kung nasaan ako ngayon, nasa Malolos, Bulacan. So, sabi niya, the nearest hospital or clinic is Sacred Heart Hospital Malolos. O, di ba? Nakapakaganda ng website ng Kaiser. So, kung wala po, dyan, hindi po na-detect ng device nyo or ng website, you can just type in manually sa search box option. No? For example, kung taga Davao ka, yan, i-type in mo lang Davao, then you will see sa baba yung mga different hospitals and clinics affiliated with Kaiser. Okay? And then you can also navigate the entire map of the Philippines so that you can see the affiliated network of Kaiser Health Group Inc. Okay? Yan, napakadali lang naman, di ba? And this Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Plan, 7-year paying or saving and 13-year waiting plan. 20-year contract po ito. And designed to provide healthcare beyond that of an HMO. Okay? Allows individual to save during employment while still being covered by the company's health plan. So, advantage mo yan kung meron kang coverage from your company. Okay? So, while you're covered with that health plan, bili ka na katulad nito para sa retirement mo. Geared to address the long-term healthcare needs of individuals, especially after employment and retirement years. And take note, the reason why you're getting this plan is for your retirement, no? Securing a more comfortable elderly life. So this is the overview of the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So as you can see, ito yung 7 years na kailangan lang natin siyang bayaran. 7 years lang yan ha. And then after that, yung 13-year waiting period, wala na po kayong babayaran doon. Antayin na lang natin siya mag-grow. And then on the 20th year, ito na po yung total accumulated healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit or yung maturity fund value natin. Okay? So, isa-isahin ko po yan para mas maintindihan nyo. So, unahin natin yung phase 1, yung during accumulation or saving period. From first year to 7th year. So first, this is a free benefit no, na makukuha mo. And this will not affect your healthcare funds in the future. So number 1, annual physical exam to be administered by an accredited clinic. So sa OPMS po, meron kayo doon makikitang claims. Okay, so kailangan nyo muna magpa-schedule sa isang accredited clinic or hospital before going APE coverage or the basic 5. These are the physical examination, chest x-ray, routine fecalysis o yung stool examination, routine urinalysis, yung ihi natin, and CBC or complete blood count. And meron din tong ECG for members above 35 and pap smear for females members above 35 years old or as required. Number 2, again, this is a free benefit. Dental benefits, unlimited dental checkups, unlimited simple tooth extraction, once a year free dental prophylaxis, recementation of jacket, crowns, inlays and onlays, minor adjustment of dentures. And number 3, basic health benefits, accredited physician's fees, specialist fee, surgeon's fee, anesthesiologist fees, use of operating room, hospital intensive care. And number 4, members' choice of room and board. Dito po, magdidepende yan sa plan. So, for K100 plan, 1,000 per day. 75 plan, 900 per day. For K60, 800. For K50, 700. And K45, 600 per day. So, dito pa lang makikita nyo yung difference na mga plan. Number 5, yearly hospital benefit limit. Just in case, kailanganin po natin habang nagbabayad tayo ng pang-hospital, pambayad sa hospital, pwede po natin siya ma-utilize. But take note, after ng una mong taon, dapat isang taon ka muna na nakabayad ka. Okay? So, for K100 plan and K75, 60,000 per year po ang hospital benefit limit mo. For K60, down to K45, 50,000 per year lang po ang iyong hospital benefit limit. Okay? And take note kung hindi mo po ito magamit for the next 7 years, itong hospital benefit limit mo, it's a great news. Unang-una, bakit? Kasi ikaw ay healthy. Okay? Second, meron kang bonus na makukuha during the maturity period. Okay? Mamaya, papakita ko yun sa inyo. And number 6 and 7, the term life and accidental death and dismemberment from accumulation until the 20th year. So meaning so from the time na na-approve yung policy mo, yung application mo, you are covered, no? Until the maturity. Okay? So 20 years yan. Or until age of 75. Para makuha natin yung term insurance coverage, you need to get the long-term care benefit plus the long-term care bonus. So for K45, yan po, 202,500. For K50, 225,000. For K60, 270,000. For K75, 337,500. And for K100, 450,000. If the cause of death is accident, mag-a-add po tayo ng additional insurance coverage. So for example, for K100, additional of 450,000. So ang makukuha po ng primary beneficiary natin is 900,000 in total. So ito po yung explanation for the term life insurance coverage. If the member dies before attaining the age of 75, and prior to this entitlement to the long-term care benefit as indicated in the Schedule of Benefits or SOB, which is matatagpuan nyo po yan sa inyong OPMS, his beneficiary shall be entitled to amount equal to the sum of long-term care benefit and long-term care bonus upon the approval claimed by the insurance company. Okay, so yun yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Yun yung makukuha nila. And accidental death and dismemberment should the member suffer directly and independently of all other causes, meaning walang other involvement, no? Okay? Any bodily injury affected solely through external, violent, and accidental mean. Accident hindi ito yung sinadya natin, okay? Occurring prior to the member's 75th birthday and prior to the entitlement to the long-term care benefit which result in any of the specified losses within 180 days after the accident causing the injury, the insurance company will pay the following: loss of both hands 100%, loss of both feet 100%, loss of one hand and one side of eye 100%, one foot, one side of eye 100%, pag nabulag totally 100%, loss of one hand and one foot 100%. Combine na lang, no? Okay? So, para makuha yung 100%. And number 8, waiver of membership fee due to death. If the member dies during the accumulation period and before exceeding the age of 75, the proceeds of the credit life insurance shall be applied to the balance of this contract price upon approval of the claim by the insurance company. If any, the difference, if any, shall be paid to these designated beneficiaries. Okay? So, for example, kung may remaining tayo na 4 years na babayaran, no, yung plan holder, so doon kukunin sa term insurance coverage yung pambayad para ma-waive na yung membership fee na 4 years. Para wala nang babayaran yung plan holder or yung beneficiary na pagtatransferan. Then, kung meron pang tira from that term insurance, mapupunta sa beneficiaries. Number 9, waiver of membership fees due to total and permanent disability. If the member becomes totally disabled during the accumulation period and on or before his or her 75th birthday, thereby preventing him from engaging in any occupation for compensation or profit. Meaning, wala na talaga, hindi niya na kaya magtrabaho or magkumita ng pera, is so disabled for life and such disability continues for at least 6 months, okay, for the next 6 months, Kaiser shall waive the payment of each installment becoming due during the life and such disability. However, pending approval of the claim, installments should be paid as at they fall due, subject to refund upon approval. So meaning habang nag-aantay ka nung approval ng claim mo, no, na ma-waive yung membership fees mo, so kailangan mo muna magbayad. Bayaran mo muna. Kasi may investigation ng 6 months eh. Okay? And all claims under the above insurance coverage shall be subject to 2 years period as provided by law from the date of issue or reinstatement of this contract. But don't worry, that 6 months, kuwari nagbayad ka ng 6 months, that will be refund, no? And if the member dies during the accumulation period, the principal beneficiary named herein shall be substituted as the new member. Okay? If the member the policy holder, matatransfer doon sa kanya beneficiary. But no longer with insurance benefit and subject to provisions on pre-existing illnesses. Okay? And number 10, family assistance service. Policy should be in active status and plan should have completed at least 1 year payment. Nominated patient must be an immediate family member of the policyholder or within the first degree of consanguinity. Okay? Kung wala ka pang asawa, okay, pwede yung mga kapatid mo at parents mo. Pero if you have already a spouse, so siya po yung first consanguinity at yung mga anak mo. Okay? Policyholder agrees to avail only of the services of Kaiser's accredited doctors and affiliated network of hospital. Doon lang sa within the network of Kaiser. Assistance to be provided by Kaiser shall only be to the extent of the allowable benefits due to the member under his policy. Alright? So ito po, kung for example, ang kinuha natin is K45. So yung benefits lang or yung fund lang na kaya ng K45 ang pwede mong maipagamit sa family member mo. Hindi pwede yung 4K100 kasi K45 lang yung policy mo. Prior to discharge of the nominated patient, payment should have been settled to Kaiser. So, since pinahiram lang to sa'yo ni Kaiser yung fund, kailangan mo bayaran ito. Okay? And Kaiser's approval to avail of such assistance must first be obtained by the member. Take note kailangan mo muna kunin yung approval ni Kaiser para makuha mo yung letter of agreement. And please take note that this assistance is an accommodation not considered as a part of benefit of the plan. Hence, approval and denial on the ailment solely depend on the Kaiser management evaluation. Phase number 2, extended period from 8th year to 20th year. These are your benefits. Long-term care benefit value or LTC-BV. Guaranteed health benefits as shown in the schedule of benefits which can be used at the end of the 20th year as part of the hospital benefit limit until fully utilized or can be converted into cash on the 20th year. Next is the yearly healthcare hospital benefit limit or YHCHBL. 10% of the long-term care benefit value earned starting from the end of the accumulation period, meaning fully paid mo na siya, every year thereafter up to 20th year, ito na ang kita ng plan mo. So for K100, 10,000 per year. For K75, 7,500. 60,000, 6,000. K50, 5,000. For K45, 4,500. So dito pa lang again, makikita nyo yung difference ng mga plans, di ba? So the higher the plan that you have, mas mataas po yung earnings ng policy mo. Okay? So kaya, we suggest, kung kaya naman po, depende kung ano po yung magiging resulta ng cash flow nyo sa inyong financial check-up, yun po yung sundin natin. Kung kaya naman mag K100 or higher, why not? Pero kung di kaya, let's make sure na matapos natin yung pagbabayad for 7 years, yung pag-iipon natin. Okay? So again, magdedepende po yan sa current cash flow nyo. Next is the long-term healthcare experience incentive hospital benefit limit or LTHCEIHBL. Approximately 85% of the total membership fees which can be converted into cash or be part of the hospital benefit limit or HBL from the 20th year until fully utilized. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, kung wala kayo nagamit na 60,000 or 50,000 during your saving period during the 7 years, ito yung bonus mo. Okay? The LTHCEIHBL, yung 85%. Okay? And lifetime network access, sa 12,000 doctors, over 2,000 hospitals, as long as you have funds available in your health benefits. cost-free health benefits, and additional yearly healthcare hospital benefit or AYHCHBL. It's a benefit other than the YHCBL at the end of the accumulation period and every year. Thereafter, up to 20-year contract year, provided that the Kaiser investment earning is higher than 6% per annum. So, this is an additional doon sa 10%, no, na earnings natin. So, ito po yung sample illustration ng K100 plan. Alright? So, if you're going to compare it sa pag-iipon mo for 20 years, okay? So, ito 7 years mo lang pinag-ipunan, di ba? Kung pag-ipunan mo to for 20 years, mag-ipon ka lang 58,000 para maabot mo yung 1.16 million. Ano yung pipiliin mo? Yung 20 years o 7 years? And ito naman po yung from K45 to K75. So, kung K45, ang total maturity value natin is 524,776,000. So, as you can see, no, kalahati yung yung difference ng K45 to K100. And K50, 583,084. This is exactly the 50% of K100. No? So, K60, 699,701, and K75, 874,626. The pre-existing medical condition, those illnesses or injuries considered to be in existence prior to the effective date of the contract. Number 2, any professional advice or treatment was given for such illnesses or condition, and such illnesses or condition was in any way evident to the member before the effective date of the contract. Kung di ka aware, no, na meron ka palang pre-existing. Okay? And pathogenesis of such illnesses or condition is started whether or not the member is aware of it. And the following illnesses will be covered during the extended period. During the saving period, hindi pa siya covered. Pero after mo siyang magbayaran, fully paid na, mako-cover na yung pre-existing natin. Not only the pre-existing, also the dreaded diseases. So, di ko na isa-isay, no? You can take a screenshot, okay, ng mga pinapakita ko sa screen. Yan po yung mga covered na. And, nandito na tayo sa phase 3, the long-term care period. From, ito na yan, yung matured na yung plan natin, onwards. And during the long-term care period, meron po tayong 5 options na pwedeng gawin sa maturity value ng ating Kaiser Health Builder. Okay? Una, full withdrawal of total health benefits. Meaning, pwede mo nang kunin yung 1.1 million na yan. Okay? For example, no? Nag-migrate ka sa ibang bansa, hindi ka magpo-for good dito sa Pilipinas. So, yan yung best option for you, no? And kung ikaw naman ay OFW ngayon, nagpaplano ka mag-migrate sa ibang bansa, okay? Tapos hindi mo naman alam, no, kung matutuloy yun o hindi, mas maganda sigurado. 'Di ba? So, para makasigurado ka, kuha ka ng Kaiser kasi nasa win-win situation ka, 'di ba? So, either mag-for good ka sa Pilipinas, meron kang 1.1 million, or mag-migrate ka sa ibang bansa, getting your 1.1 million pesos in cash. Okay? So, win-win situation. Number 2, withdrawal of up to 50% of the total health benefits with lifetime extended health care. O, wow. Diba? Napakaganda. Kasi pwede mong i-withdraw yung 50%, plus meron ka pang extended health care. And number 3, lifetime extended health care program with the maximum of 2 million life insurance coverage. Okay? And number 4, yearly health care withdrawal with a maximum of 1 million life insurance coverage. So ito, parang, di ba, parang sisilbing pension natin. So kumukuha ka ng pera from your Kaiser Ultimate, then meron ka pa 1 million life insurance coverage. And number 5, you can apply conversion privilege to ordinary life insurance. So, ayan, nasa kamay mo ang desisyon kung ano yung gusto mong gawin with your Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. And good news sa mga PhilHealth members natin because your PhilHealth benefit is integrated with Kaiser.
Wow!
So once admitted, you will be advised to file your PhilHealth reimbursement form. The PhilHealth reimbursement due shall be deducted from the total hospital bills. Yun muna yung ibabawas. Kung ano yung sagot ni PhilHealth. And then, yung remaining na total bills will be shouldered by your Kaiser policy. And take note sa mga Kaiser policy without PhilHealth membership, okay, kayo po ang mag-shoulder ng mga corresponding portion ng PhilHealth. Okay? So from your own pocket na yun. So mas maganda pa rin, no, na meron tayong PhilHealth membership. And grace period. Okay? So if payment is made after the grace period, the contract shall be considered lapse. However, the owner shall be given a grace period of 30 days or 1 month to pay the due installment. Benefits may be provided to the member only after the due installment is paid. So, ganyang kaluwag si Kaiser, no? May 30 days ka na palugit para hindi mag-lapse ang inyong policy. And here are the Kaiser funds allocation. So, para maintindihan natin, no? Kung saan napupunta yung mga binabayad nating membership fee or mga premiums. So, at least 51% of the payments made by the plan holders automatically goes to a trust fund as required by the government. Okay, take note, as required by the government. Kaiser cannot touch this trust fund. It is reserved for the future claims by the plan holders. So, ito yung assurance mo, no, as a plan holder na hindi ka tatakbuhan ni Kaiser kasi hindi naman siya may hawak ng 51% eh. No? Rest assured na meron kang makiklaim, no, during the maturity period. Okay? Hindi po ito katulad ng mga nangyari sa CAP dati, no, na bankrupt tapos wala nakuha yung mga plan holders. Okay? Wag po natin ihalin tulad itong Kaiser sa kanila. Okay, magkaiba po. And Kaiser trust funds are managed by 2 international banks. These are the ING Bank from Netherlands and Deutsche Bank from Germany. Okay? So, layo niya sa Pilipinas, di ba? How can you withdraw? No? Paano mo i-withdraw ni Kaiser yan, no? Yung mga funds natin. And 49% goes to investment, portion of which is managed by the Soldibo funds. And once ikaw ay plan holder ng Kaiser, magkakaroon ka nitong Kaiser's Online Policy Management System or we call it the OPMS. So wala na po, hindi na po uso yung yung mga hard-bounded na policy, no, yung naka-folder pa. Okay? So ngayon, digital na, high-tech na tayo eh. Okay? So ayan po, magkakaroon ka ng username and password para dito. And you can also visit our YouTube channel. Meron po akong video doon, in-explain ko and pinakita ko kung paano po gamitin yung ating Kaiser OPMS. Okay? So, andito po siya sa likod ko. Yan, nakikita nyo? Yan, Kaiser OPMS walkthrough. Yan ang ihanapin nyo sa aming YouTube channel para alam nyo how to navigate and how to use our OPMS. Okay. And what if lumampas ka sa grace period, no? Doon sa 30 days. So, ang mangyayari, maglalapse lang naman po yan. Hindi po yan magte-terminate. Okay? So, Kaiser will give you a chance to do this reinstatement application. Okay? May 2 options po tayo to do this. First option is to update. Okay? So, during update, yung member po, babayaran yung mga missed months o yung mga missed premiums, no? Plus the surcharge of 1.5%, okay, per month and 8% per annum from the date of each unpaid installment. Second, redate option. So member will only pay the premium for the month but maturity period will be moved. Okay? So depende kung ano yung premium niya, kung ano yung payment term niya, yun lang yung babayaran niya. Wala pong babayaran na surcharges, okay? One time lang, one premium lang. But take note, yung maturity nito will be moved. Depende kung ilang buwan niya na missed yung pagbabayad. Ang requirements nito is meron tayong kailangan bayaran na reinstatement fee of 300 pesos. That's a minimal amount. Okay? Yung application form can be done online. Okay? Meron tayo sa ating IMG kiosk that can be processed. Paperless na po kasi tayo dito, di ba? So, no need na for application form. This can be done within 2 years of the first unpaid due date. The member shall be considered a new applicant subject to pre-existing conditions. Okay? So, to-check yan. Kaya meron dun questionnaire sa online application form nyo ng reinstatement. Okay? And for purposes of contestability of insurance coverage. Okay, may contestability po ang ating insurance coverage. So, might as well, iwasan po natin ma-lapse yung ating Kaiser. And to any other requirements for a new applicant for membership in effect at that time. Okay? So, yan. So, in short, basta iwasan po natin as much as possible mag-lapse. Okay? And Kaiser will cancel the contract without need of notice to the owner if he fails to reinstate within the prescribed period. Ano yung prescribed period? 2 years. Kung hindi ka po nakapag-apply ng reinstatement within 2 years, walang abiso si Kaiser sa'yo. Automatically, they will close it. They will terminate it. All reinstatement plan shall be subjected to the new price. Depende kung may price adjustment ang Kaiser, doon ka na mag-adjust ka sa new pricing niya. So, huwag kayong mabigla pag mayroong new price, no? Healthcare value. The owner may surrender the contract for its cash value stated in the schedule of benefits provided the plan is active for at least a year. Dapat bayad at least ng 1 taon. Is it transferable or can be assigned? Yes. The benefits under the Kaiser Health Builder Plan may be transferred or assigned by the member provided that during his or her lifetime, the member appoints in writing the primary beneficiary in the policy who shall receive all the remaining outstanding benefits under the said plan in the event of his or her death. So, matatransfer po automatically sa primary beneficiary natin. Yung pag tayo ay kinuha ni Lord as the plan holder. However, the Kaiser Ultimate Builder Plan itself cannot be sold. Hindi pwede ito ibenta, assigned, or transferred to any third party, nor payment of the membership fee assumed by sold third party. So what are the benefits that can be received by the principal beneficiary? Number 1, yearly healthcare benefit value. Number 2, long-term care benefit value. Number 3, long-term healthcare experience incentive. Number 4, additional healthcare benefit limit provided that the investment earnings of the company is higher than 6% per annum. The above benefits can be utilized by the principal beneficiary for her or his own health or medical benefits. Okay? So, in short, lahat ng benefits na meron si plan holder matatransfer doon sa primary beneficiary. Upgrading of plan. Plan can be upgraded within 30 days after its effectivity date. So, kung June 1 ka nag-roll ng policy, okay, bilang ka ng 30 days, which is, if I'm not mistaken, June 30, okay, so that's your deadline. So, you need to apply on or before June 30 ng inyong upgrading of plan. So, kailangan mo lang gawin, mag-fill out ng amendment form, and then you need to pay processing fee of 300 pesos. Okay? Yung payment of additional installment corresponding to the updated plan. Okay? So, for example, kung mag-upgrade ka ng K45 to K100, i-minus mo lang yung binayaran mong 2647 sa 5,882. So, yung difference nun, yun yung idadagdag mo dito. Okay? Plus 300. Upgrading mode of payment or yung payment term natin. Mode of payment or payment term can be upgraded anytime. You can process it on your OPMS. So, paperless na din po ito. And take note that the downgrading of plan and mode of payment is not allowed. Age eligibility. Dito naman po, pinapakita natin kung ano yung pwedeng age doon sa mga lowest plan na available para sa kanilang ages. So, for K45, kung pwede lang mag-apply dyan, is yung mga ages from 10 years old to 40 years old. For K60, 41 to 50 years old. For K75, 51 to 60 years old. So, kung age 51 ka na ngayon, hindi ka na pwede sa K45 and K60, ha? So, in building our solid financial foundation, our financial house, di ba? Ganito po tayo mag-build. And Kaiser answers our three major financial needs during productive years and retirement years. So it has already the healthcare fund that you need, life insurance for your family, and the investment for your future needs. And that's the end of my presentation. Again, my name is Andrew Fabillar Jr., proud member of IMG and proud Kaiser plan holder.